Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue the exercise 11.1, second one. See, in the second problem, what they have given, in the figure, find tan p minus cot r. In the figure, find tan p minus cot r. Diagram is given. That is q, then p. So this one is 30. This one is r. We have to find the tan p. Before that, we have to find the remaining side by using the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90 degree. Therefore, PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR 13 square equals to PQ 12 square plus QR square. 169 equals to 144 plus QR square. 169 minus 144 equals to QR square. That is equals to 25. That is equals to QR square. QR equals to square root of 25, which is equals to 5. 25 equals to QR square. Therefore, QR equals to 5. Now, let us find what they asked. Tan p. See, tan p. For tan p, this one is the opposite side. This one is the adjacent side. Okay. Tan p is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Tan p is opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is equals to opposite side QR divided by PQ, which is equals to 5 by 12. Then cot R, tan p minus cot R here. This will become opposite side. Then this will become adjacent side. So, cot R is nothing but that is the adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side is, that is 5. So, opposite side is 12. 5 by 12. That is QR by PQ. QR by PQ. So, we have tan p minus cot r equals to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. That is equals to 0. That is equals to 0. This one is the second question, number 2. Find tan p minus cot r. Okay, write down. Now this one is the third problem. If sin A equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A tan A. Okay, let us draw the diagram as usual. See, okay, sin A equals to 3 by 4. Sin A, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 4. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. we have to find the AB. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Therefore, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC square 4 square, AB square we don't know that one. AB square, BC square 3 square, 16. AB square plus 9. 16 minus 9 equals to AB square. That is 7 equals to AB square. Therefore, AB equals to square root of 7. AB equals to square root of 7. Now you have to write what they have asked. That is cos A. Cos A equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this diagram is AB. AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. AB, how much you got? Root 7 divided by AC 4. Then tan A. Tan A equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is opposite side BC divided by AB. BC is 3. AB is root 7. Okay, root 7 and root 7 by 4 are the values of this line of cos A and tan A. Okay, now question number 1. 15 cot A equals to 8. Find sin A. First of all, we have to find the actual value of cot A. Say given 15 cot A equals to 8. Therefore, cot A equals to 8 divided by 15. Okay, let us draw. Cot A adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side 8, opposite side 15. So in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Therefore, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, AB 8 square plus BC 15 square, 64 plus 225, 289. AC equals to square root of 289. Therefore, AC equals to 17. AC equals to 17. Now, that is sin A. Sin A equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. That is BC equals to 15 divided by 17. Then sec A equals to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is, that is AC, divided by adjacent side is AB, that is 17 by AB, that is AB is 8. 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Okay, write down other diagram of opposite diagram. this one is the fifth one. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. As usual, let us draw the diagram. Theta PQR. Sec theta adjacent side, sec theta hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, 12. Sec theta equals to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. In triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90 degree. Therefore, PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR 13 square equals to PQ 12 square plus QR square. 169 equals to 144 plus QR square. 169 minus 144 equals to QR square. 25 equals to QR square. QR equals to square root of 25. QR equals to 5. That's QR is 5. Now, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. First, sine of angle theta. Sine theta equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse equals to opposite side QR divided by hypotenuse PR, that is equals to opposite side 5 by 12, 5 by 13. Then cosec theta equals to PR by QR, 13 by 5. Cos theta equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse PR, that is 12 divided by 13. Then already sec theta we have calculated. Then sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, tan theta equals to opposite side divided by QR divided by adjacent side PQ, that is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Then cot theta equals to PQ divided by QR, which is equals to 12 by 5. See, 5 angles we have calculated. 6th one is here. That's main angles, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta we have calculated. Sin theta 5 by 13. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of the sin theta. Cos theta we have calculated. Sec theta already they have given the reciprocal of that cos theta, 13 by 12. Then tan theta equals to QR by PQ, that is 5 by 12. Then cot theta equals to reciprocal of tan theta, that is PQ divided by QR, 12 by 5. Okay, this one sin theta, this one cos theta, this one tan theta, main angles. These are substitutes. Good. Okay, now let us discuss the question number 6. If angle A and angle B are the acute angles such that angle A and angle B are the acute angles such that the cos A equals to cos B, given To prove. To prove is angle A equals to angle B. Now let us find the cos A. In triangle ABC, cos of angle A equals to adjacent angle divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So AC divided by AB. Then cos B here. Cos B adjacent angle BC divided by hypotenuse, that is AB. But cos A equals to cos B given. Therefore, AC by AB equals to BC by AB. So, AC equals to BC by AB by cross multiplying this one is AB. AB gets cancelled. So, AC equals to BC. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then angle A equals to angle B. Hence, proved. Angle A equals to angle B. You can directly leave this one. AB equals to B. Denominators are same, so you can leave the terms AB. Equate this one. AC equals to BC. For some students will get confusion about where AB has gone. So I have cross multiplied AB to the next term. AB gets cancelled. Therefore AC equals to BC. Where angle A equals to angle B. AC equals to BC. If these two sides are equal, then the related angles, the Aird's theorem. So this statement is proved. Angle A equals to angle B. ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ ಬಂದರು.